Hello, friends. Today's detail is a 2013 Chevy Malibu. It's actually pretty nice. It's not going to take long. It's pretty icky. Alrighty. As you can see, it's pretty darn clean, and we have floor mats we found in the trunk. I'm going to try and work on these seats a little bit. They're looking pretty rough. We'll see what we can do. We're not going to put too much into it. We need to get it on the lot. There's only 2 vehicles on the lot. I'm testing out a new phone. I was blessed with the gift of a new phone. Thank you, Tori and Scott. You guys are the best. Next to Elizabeth, she's the best too. And looking pretty good. I mean, a little rough there on the door jambs, but this is in pretty decent shape. I already inspected the vehicle and we found something. Can you see what it might be? Oh, jeez. Full of water. And this thing's got an air compressor. So this new phone makes this video look kind of funny. I don't know why, it just does. So it was brought to my attention with some screenshots that I have been the topic of some conversation between a couple of YouTubers that I know. They probably did not expect me to get those, but I did. And so let me just clarify a few things. The first of which, these two, we don't have a good relationship. That's okay with me. I have no problem with that. But they were talking about how I'm an embarrassment to YouTubers because I have the worst videos. Let me explain something. And I've explained this before. I don't have to explain myself to anybody, first of all. My channel is about my journey. My videos are not here to be great big productions. This is frickin' detailing. But after seeing those, you'd think I was back in high school. The moral of the story is, I'm not here to make any other YouTuber happy. That's not my job. My job is part-time working at a hotel and working at a dealership. and I detail and make a video at the same time. And even more than that, you can hit unsubscribe and move on about your day. It's really that simple. Alrighty. Got the floor mats back in. I'm working on that seat. That inside is done, looking good. Got this done and looking good. Now it's time to deal with the trunk. That's all she wrote. All dry. I guess they're going to try and pull a plug or loosen a plug or something in case they can't find the leak. Alrighty, friends. So, I wanted to touch on that subject. I think we as YouTubers need to be a little bit more mature. You know, I'm not out here to compete with anybody. I'm not out here to impress anybody. I just put videos on my channel. If you enjoy them, great. I already know they're boring, but you know what? That's what happens when you're going through a journey. Things get boring. And another thing, it's okay if my videos are boring. If one person watches them and maybe learns a little bit or is like, oh, that sucks, it's a win. That's all that matters. I'm not out here to get rich on my channel. So, yes, I expect better of my fellow YouTubers. I sure the hell do. If I've got a problem with one of you, I have no problem bringing a video. No problem whatsoever. I don't have to go behind your back. And that's the difference between me and you, is I don't have to go behind your back because I'm man enough to make a video. I may not use your name, but you're at least gonna know that I said something. Just like this one. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, friends. I sure do appreciate it. My boring ass channel. But I thank you for being here. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I am going to go enjoy the weather. Peace.